Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this look right here, which is perfect for a wedding guest. If you're attending a wedding, it's a season of weddings across the world, so I'm sure you would be attending quite a few in the coming months. The number one question that I get asked is how do you pick the right colors for your makeup? And that's what we will be talking about today while I show you the tutorial on this look. So please stay tuned and take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's finish up the base makeup first and then we can focus more on the colors. To prime my face, I'm using the NYX Photo Loving Primer. It's always important to use a primer. This helps the foundation to stick onto it so the foundation doesn't move around. I'm going to quickly color correct using the orange crayon from e.l.f. If you don't have uneven skin tone like me, you can totally skip the step. But I have some dark patches and dark circles, so I'm going to use this to neutralize it. And then as always, I'm going to set it with some Artistry loose powder. You can use any loose powder to set it so it doesn't mix with the foundation that's coming up next. For foundation, I'm going with the BECCA Ultimate Coverage Foundation in Olive. One, because it gives me full coverage and that's exactly what I need for a glamorous look like this. And second, because it lasts me an entire day. You always want to wear something that's long lasting, especially when you attend events. Otherwise, your makeup will start moving around and it'll make you look tired. To brighten up my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige to highlight the high planes of my face. And while I do that, I'm going to be using it on my eyelids as well to even out the skin tone. And this will form a base before I apply any eyeshadows over it. I'm going to blend everything out with a damp beauty sponge and then I'm going to set just around my eyes with the Artistry loose powder just so the concealer doesn't start creasing and settling in those fine lines. The eyeshadow palette that I'll be using is Charlie Girl from Coastal Scents. The ensemble that I'll be wearing today has a few dominating colors like a combination of blues and my sari is gold, so we'll have to bring all the colors together. Let's start with a universal transition color. I tend to lean towards browns that are a couple shades darker than my skin tone. I'm doing a halo eye today, so I'm going to be using this in the inner and outer corners of my eyes using a blending brush, and then I will join the two corners through the crease. Next, I'm going to pick a color that can soften everything up and that's not very dominating. In my case, it's the light blue. So I'm going to be using this in the inner and outer corners just to soften everything up. Next, I'm going to pick the darkest color in my ensemble and I'm going to use this to intensify the inner and outer corners. You can also go with a universal color to intensify the corners, which is going to be either dark brown or black. I always like to keep the center of the lid open for a shimmer, glitter, or foil that brightens up everything, and in my case it's going to be gold. From the Beauty Treats Metallized Eyeshadow Palette, I'm taking this gold pigment and I'm going to be popping this right in the center of my lid, and I'm going to blend out the edges with the other colors. To brighten my eyes further, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bones as well as inner corners using the highlighter called Croissant from Coastal Scents. Next, I'm going to tightline my waterline using the NYX eye pencil in black. Using the NYX Matte Eyeliner in black, I'm going to be lining both my top as well as lower lash lines. And for a pop of color, I'm going to use this dark blue in the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara and some false lashes off camera. The one that I'll be using today is Harjottbeauty lashes in Angel. To warm up and bronze my face, I'm using PSA from the Urban Decay Thin Afterglow Highlighter Palette. And for blush, I'm going to be using Heartfelt from Coastal Scents. For a subtle glow, I'm going to be using Croissant once again. This is from Coastal Scents. I'm going to be applying this on the high planes of my face using this fan brush from Doe Color. Because my eyes are so dramatic, I want to balance it out by using either a nude color or something very simple and mellowed down on my lips, something that softens everything up. And for that, I'm using the LA Colors lipstick in Tender. These custom-made jhumkas that go perfectly with my outfit are from Beige. I've included a link to their Instagram account in the description box below. I really like the way this look came together with all the ensemble and the color combinations and the different elements. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you to pick the right colors with your outfits. If it does, don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up and comment below and let me know. If you're planning to recreate this look or any of my looks or use this concept to create your own, don't forget to tag me. I'd love to come by and take a look. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.